Alright, so here's a video I've been wanting to make for a while. 925, Vermeer 925. I got my 4-foot bucket and then the stump bucket. Use that for digging, pulling up concrete, digging out roots, stumps. Then the leveler, that's basically just used for smoothing out, grading out, smoothing out yards and dirt, and I use it on driveways a lot to smooth out the driveways after I put the new stone down. So you can see all the different attachments here, and then my grapple, of course. Use that. I don't go anywhere without these 4 attachments, but I wanted to make a video of how I put them all together. One of the viewer commented on it a while back of how I nested them all together like the little wooden dolls you get as like a souvenir, different places where they nest together. He said that looks like those little nesting dolls that go together. So there you go, 4 attachments, and I get them all together nice and neat, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Thanks for watching.